Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Kik live streaming application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application provides you with streaming materials, so you can just find and search for different videos, streaming videos, and you can just join to watch them. In the profile section you can set the notifications, and you can also follow channels. So in the following section you will find all the categories and live channels that you saved to watch later maybe. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.